Welcome my dear students once again in a new video where you can learn English very easily. So I will request you to please like, share and subscribe. So let us start. Here you can see one picture which shows our past, and one more. Here you can see that this picture shows our present, and the next one, it shows our future. So dear students, today we are going to read very interesting topic, that is tense. If we say about tense, the first part is present tense, which is about now, and the second part is past tense, which is about time which is before now, and the third part is future tense, which shows us what is going to happen after now. So let us start. Dear students, let us see the division of tense. First is indefinite or simple. Second is continuous. Third one is perfect. And fourth one is perfect continuous. Let me tell you, my dear students, that each tense, that is present, past and future, is divided into four parts. Let us start. Oh my god, present continuous. Earlier you have started with present simple only, but here we are going to start with present continuous because it is the easiest one. So here we go. Whenever we have to make present continuous, we will start with subject. Helping verb will be is, am, are, plus main verb will be first form plus ing, and then it can be followed with object and complement. My dear students, let me tell you, whenever this word continuous is coming, we have to use main verb first form plus ing. So let us see one example. Dhoni is playing cricket. You can see Dhoni. If we have to convert this sentence into negative, how we will convert? We have to use not at third place. Dhoni is not playing cricket. Next one, if we have to convert the sentence into interrogative, how we will convert? We will use helping verb in the starting of the sentence. Is Dhoni playing cricket? And the last one, if we have to start our question with WH word, what we will do? We will use WH word in the starting. Why is Dhoni playing cricket? Next one, dear students, next one is past continuous. In past continuous, almost all other things are same, like subject, main verb, object, complement, but here we are going to change helping verb. Let me tell you, my dear friends, in present continuous we were using is, am, are, and in past continuous we are using helping verb. It means only we have to change helping verb. So let us see one example. Mahavir was going to park. Now let us convert it into negative. Mahavir was not going to park. Interrogative, same thing. We have to start with helping verb. Was Mahavir going to park? And with WH word, why was Mahavir going to park? Now future continuous, dear friends, same thing will be here, but here helping verb will be and shall be. Let us see one example. Anuj will be singing a song. Negative, Anuj will not be singing a song. Interrogative, will Anuj be singing a song? And WH word interrogative, why will Anuj be singing a song? Dear friends, you have to note one thing. Shall we have to use with I and we, and will we are going to use with other nouns and pronouns. But nowadays shall is not used this much, so we can use only will. Next one is present perfect. Dear friends, in present perfect, subject, helping verb, main verb, object, complement, all the things are there, but helping verb we have to see, that is has and have. Has is used for singular and have is used for plural. Main verb, here we have to use third form. Like one example is there, Shobha has cooked food. Shobha has not cooked food. Same thing in negative. And interrogative, we can start with helping verb. Had Shobha cooked food? And with WH word, why had Shobha cooked food? Dear friends, let us move to past perfect tense. As we used third form in present perfect, here also we will use third form. But helping verb we have to change. Had we have to use. Either singular subject or plural subject, we will use only had. Let us see one example. Amrita had won race. Negative. Amrita had not won race. Interrogative. Had Amrita won race? And with WH word, why had Amrita won race? Next one, future perfect. In future perfect also, dear friends, everything will be same. Just we have to change helping verb. That will be will oblique shall plus have. Either we will use will have or we will use shall have. And third form will be same. Example, Sangam will have done homework. And negative and interrogative, Sangam will not have done homework. Will Sangam have done homework? And WH word, why will Sangam have done homework? Now, dear friends, let us move to present perfect continuous. Let me remind you one thing, my dear friends. We have done continuous and we have done perfect. Now we have to combine both these tenses. How? What we have to do? We are going to use the helping verb of all the perfect tense and main verb of all the continuous tense. As you can see here, I have used the helping verb for present perfect, that is has and have, and main verb of continuous, that is first form plus ing. But then what is the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous? The difference is that we have to use been also. So the helping verb is has, have and been. One more thing friends, here we have to use since and for also. Since we are going to use with point of time and for we are going to use with duration of time. Give an example. Urvashi has been watering plants since 8 a.m. Negative. Urvashi has not been watering plants since 8 a.m. Once again I am going to remind you, not we can used at the third place. Has Urvashi been watering plants since 8 a.m. And WH word, why has Urvashi been watering plants since 8 a.m. Same thing we will repeat in past perfect continuous, but again helping verb. What helping verb we are going to use? The helping verb is had plus been. So dear friends, let us move to the examples. Anup had been running for 2 hours. Negative. Anup had not been running for 2 hours. Had Anup been running for 2 hours? And one more interrogative with WH word. Why had Anup been running for 2 hours? Now friends, move to future perfect continuous. In future perfect continuous, what we have to use? Same thing we are going to see. Just we have to change the helping verb. Helping verb will be will or shall plus have been. Either will have been or shall have been, and remaining things are same. Let us see one example. Rekha will have been washing clothes for 2 hours. Negative. Rekha will not have been washing clothes for 2 hours. Interrogative. Will Rekha have been washing clothes for 2 hours? And interrogative with WH word. Why will Rekha have been washing clothes for 2 hours? Dear friends, here I want to remind you one important thing, that we have done 9 tenses. Out of these 9, in 6 we were having continuous. Continuous means where we are having main verb first form plus ing. And in perfect, only 3 perfect were there. And in these 3 perfect, we are going to use third form. Now let us move to the next one. Next one is present indefinite, or we can say present simple. In this, we are going to use main verb first form, and SES we are going to use with singular subject. If the subject is singular, then only we will use SES. Let us see one example. Purav works hard. Negative, Purav does not work hard. Interrogative, does Purav work hard? And with WH word, why does Purav work hard? Dear friends, let me tell you one thing. Here we are going to use do and does in negative and interrogative. Do we will use with plural subjects and does we will use with singular subjects. But when does is used in a sentence, we are going to remove as and es. Next one, dear friends, how to use as and es with the verb. Let me see. As, es is used with verb in present indefinite when the subject is singular. Verbs ending with ch, o, x, ss, sh, z, double z, they will take es with them like push, pushes, cross, crosses, watch, watches. So many others are there. Dear friends, verbs ending with y or consonant before y will remove y and takes ies with them like worry, worries, try, tries. Next one is past indefinite. In past indefinite, we will use subject plus main verb second form object complement. Example, Kamal taught students. Kamal did not teach students. Did Kamal teach students? Why did Kamal teach students? Dear friends, like we have used in present indefinite, we will use here did. Did is used in interrogative and negative sentence. Whenever we are using did, we have to use first form. We can't use second form with did. Keep it in your mind. Now, last one, future indefinite. In future indefinite, what we have to use? Helping verb will be will and shall, and main verb first form will be there. Others will win race. Others will not win race. Interrogative, will others win race? And with WH word, why will others win race? Now move on to the exercise. Dear friends, fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the brackets. These 6 sentences are there in front of you. In the brackets, verbs are given. Just you have to write the answers of these questions in the comment box so that we can know whether you understood the topic or not. Once again in the end, dear friends, I will request you please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon so that we can always provide you these kind of interesting videos to you as soon as we upload the videos. Thank you for watching us.